Hi, this is Dr. Eric Donor at the New York Skin and Vein Center, and today I'm going to be demonstrating the latest and greatest filler for lips. It's called RHA2, and it's by a company called Revance. This goes under a different name in Europe, and it's the biggest filler in all of Europe. It's been around for a long time. It's very safe, highly effective, and we're just bringing it on to New York Skin and Vein Center. So today I'm going to be demonstrating it for lips, and for this young lady today, we're not going to be giving her big lips. We're going to be restoring her lips. We're going to be sharpening the borders. Her lipstick's going to go on great. It's going to help with the fine lines in the lips. We're going to restore the balance of them as well. All right, so she's already had some numbing cream on. This is just a little vibrator thing for her to hold on to. Just a little distractor. I'm just going to be cleaning them off one more time. And we'll bring the camera in closer as we do the injection itself. So this is just for more cleansing. And she's quite numb because she's had the numbing cream on. We have this fabulous numbing cream that makes it extremely tolerable. All right, so here we go. And let's bring the camera in closer. And we're going to start. We're going to sharpen the border. 1, 2, 3, go. And she's tolerating it very nicely. And just bringing back the borders. How was that?
Fine.
There you go. She wouldn't dare to say otherwise. Pinch. There's a little ouch here in the middle. There we go. And you can see we're just bringing it back. And this is a little ouchy in the middle. We're just bringing back the borders just a little bit. I'm going to hold pressure here for a minute. And you can see how quick and easy it is. Don't really see any bruising or bleeding. And we're going to turn, and we're going to do the other side. 1, 2, 3, pinch. She's doing amazing. Pinch. There, look at that. So you can see we just brought back the borders of the lips, sharpened them, and defined the lips better. Now we have to do the lower as well. 1, 2, 3, pinch. The lower lip needs to be bigger by 30% than the upper to look natural, and so you don't look like a duck. And we're just bringing them back here nicely. And that is about 90% of what you have to do for lips. Okay, we're trying to give her nice pretty lips. That was half of the syringe. She's never had filler in her lips before. Now, what I'm going to do, go a little slack jawed, is help with these fine lines by going under the red portion of the lip. Here we go, 1, 2, 3. It's going to give her nice smooth lips. Pinch. Reduce the risk of bruising by staying superficial. A little bit more on the lower. Just giving her a little bit of drama, but still very nice and pretty. There we go. There you go. How you doing?
Okay.
She's doing great. She was so scared before, and look, she's doing fabulous. All right. So what I'm going to do now is mold the lips and do a little bit more on, and we'll end this video. So this is Dr. Eric Donor at the New York Skin and Vein Center. Hope to see you soon.